Uh-oh.
We all remember our first period.
Hey, girl, I'm slipping you a pad.
No, here's one without wings.
There's a more natural way to handle it.
Are those birds underwear?
Saltwear, reusable, absorbable period underwear that stops leaks and keeps you feeling dry.
They're so comfortable.
And unlike pads, they don't show through your leggings.
Is mine showing?
Don't worry, girl. Let me show you a better way to manage your monthly. At Saalt, we believe your period is natural. The solution should feel natural too. Saltwear is the incredibly comfortable and reusable solution. It absorbs up to 3 regular pads and, unlike other period underwear, Saalt does it without the harmful chemicals.
People were putting chemicals down where?
Hold up, this is way thinner than my pad. How does it absorb more?
Saltwear worked with textile experts from leading universities to design them. They're fabric fanatics.
Yes, we are fabric fanatics. Saltwear is comprised of 4 micro layers that absorb quickly, lock in moisture, and make the top layer feel dry and comfy almost immediately. The secret is in the liquid lock channels. Look for the lines. Let me show you. Compare Saltwear to 2 competitor brands. After just 10 seconds, Saalt has absorbed much more than the 2 soggy competitors and is more dry and comfortable.
These are great. They don't look boring or medical.
Let me show you Salt's lace and mesh collection. Salt's lingerie-inspired period underwear was designed in Paris.
I took 2 weeks out of my 3-month vacation to design these beautiful pieces of art.
I didn't know period panties could be so fine.
I know. I can finally feel sexy on my period.
Everything I design is sexy. I cannot help it. Now, try it with all of my motors from France.
Ooh la la.
Just because you are on your period does not mean you are not sexy.
Yeah, maybe it's just me, but I get a little extra excited on my period.
Exactly. You deserve to look as beautiful as you feel.
I can't get over how cute these are and comfortable.
There's even more comfy options. You can get the lace and mesh for a Netflix and chill, or the Comfort Collection for the Netflix and chill out.
Softer than a baby bunny.
Saalt has 3 levels of absorbency designed for your flow. Light absorbency equals about 1 liner or 2 light tampons. Regular replaces 2 pads or 3 regular tampons. And high absorbency replaces 3 pads or 4 regular tampons. Although these are all period products, women deal with unwanted moisture almost every day.
They do?
Yes, we do. I hate spinning the wheel of wetness.
Which will it be? Flow, discharge, bladder leaks, or sweat? Don't worry, Saltwear is the only underwear that leaks cannot ruin. And people all over are taking back control of their bodies with Saltwear. Oh, bladder leaks.
It feels so soft.
Super cozy, especially around the belly.
It is so lightweight and thin. It's the softest material I've ever felt in a period underwear.
You could wear this all day, then you could change it out, wear it at night. 10 out of 10, they're so comfy.
If you have any questions, you can ask our period bliss specialist. There are no dumb questions.
Yep, it goes under the pants. No, don't worry. Have a nice day.
And if it really doesn't work out, we'll replace it with something you love, or a full refund.
You don't even have to send back the underwear. Please don't send back the underwear.
Saalt is a B Corp that gives back. They've donated over 40,000 period products to people in need and have funded over 100,000 days of school for girls everywhere. Go to saalt.com to order your Saltwear today and manage your monthly naturally.